Welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making my famous banana cake. Start off by having all your ingredients prepped out and ready. Start off by whisking your eggs. Add in your eggs, oil, and vanilla to the sugar mixture and mix well. In a separate bowl, mix in all your dry ingredients. Walnuts are optional, but if you add them, go ahead and add them now to the dry ingredients. Most people like to mush their bananas in a separate bowl first, but I honestly prefer this method better just because I like the chunkiness of the bananas in the cake. You can use as many bananas as you prefer, but 4 or 5 is plenty. Before adding your wet ingredients, you can mix the flour and bananas together to incorporate it. Mix in the dry and wet ingredients together, making sure to scrape down the bowl. Mix very well because you don't want to leave any dry ingredients stuck on the bottom of the bowl. Lightly grease an angel food cake pan. After lightly greasing the pan, I like to add some flour for an extra layer of protection between the pan and the cake. Pour the batter into the cake pan and bake at 350 for 1 hour. Sprinkle some powdered sugar to make it taste and look so much sweeter. There you have it, delicious banana cake, better than Starbucks. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And go ahead and ring that bell.